most requested songs of the week. There's a guy named Papa Ustino who called us a few days ago, and he requested a song, right? Yes, and that song was in the top 3 listed today. I guess I know that song. Maybe. And after he requested that song, he said that this song was for his girlfriend. Oh, how sweet. So, shall we play the song? Yes. So, here's the song. Beautiful Girl by Christian Bautista on top 3.
Beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come true. You've made me love again after a long, long while in love again. And I'm glad that it's you. Beautiful
What's up, guys? Welcome back to 6. And we are your newest talks into vlogs. I'm VJ Kate. And I'm VJ May. And we are your VJ for this next part. And before we reveal that, we're going to read first the messages you sent to us. And first came from Chloe from TUP Taguig. Hey VJ Kate, I'm Chloe from TUP Taguig. Please treat my family, friends, and classmates because we really love watching it and also you. Thanks. Thank you for sending this message and God bless.
So the second message came from Zoe C04. Hello VJ May, can you please play the music video of Only Exemption by Paramore? It's just that whenever I hear that song, I always remember the day when my father surprised me in my 18th birthday and have that memorable dance with me using that song. Thanks VJ May, more power, God bless. So here's your top 2 music videos.
For this week,
You are the only exception. 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 And I'm on my way to believing. Oh, and I'm on my way to believing.
Welcome back guys, thanks for staying tuned at 6 and I'm VJ Ramar and I'm your VJ for our top 1 most requested song of the week. So are you excited in our top 1 spot? But before that, I would like to read a message to our sisters. Our sister's name, Annabeth, she's from Cavite. She said, "Good day, VJ Ramar. I'm Annabeth from Cavite. I just want to greet my family, my friends, and the other people who love to watch Six, and especially you." Okay, thank you, Annabeth, for your message and God bless. Godspeed. This is our top 1 most requested song of the week. Timber by Pitbull featuring Keisha.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance.
up?
What's up, guys? What's up?
I hate you. I said, uy, titingnan nga natin yung projection niya sa camera. Haha.
Yun lang. Dapat na ito yung design. Good afternoon, guys! Okay nga lang. Hi, welcome to Six. I'm DJ Joey. And I'm DJ Justin. And this is... Ulit DJ pa! Hi, Hi, welcome to Six. I'm DJ Joey. And I'm DJ Justin. And this is the top 3 most requested songs of the week. So, before we forgot, there's a guy named Marco Estino who told us a few days ago. And he requested a song. Ayos eh, kasi tumagal eh. Ayos na eh. Ayos na no?
Oo. Ano ba yan?
Nun.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Six. We are the newest jocks in the vlog. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Six. We are the newest jocks in the vlog.
Bike lang yung ginawa mo! Ganun ka! Ganun ka!
Hanggat kaya pa ng kumote ko. Tama na!
What's up guys? We're your new BJs in the BJs of the BJs.
Nung kukulit kasi ako, we are your...
Hey, what's up guys? Ulit nga! Welcome back guys! Ulit nga! Welcome back guys! I'm DJ.
Saka sa mga boss.
Here's our DJ last time. Fuck you.
Boy, don't say bad words.
Going down. So, welcome back guys.
Sixers?
This is DJ Omar and
You have a scandal na.
you know
May
who I am.
scandal ka na bakla.
I'm famous! You know that!
Welcome back guys.
Dapat nandito kayo.
So